Hello everyone, I am Anamika Kapoor. I am here again with computer class. Dear students, as we are going to start Scratch. Scratch is a computer programming language that lets you create your own interactive stories, animations, games, music, and art. What is that one thing that all of you enjoy the most? Yes, obviously games, right. But do you know how all these games are made? All the games that you play on the computer are animations, not reality, and all these animations are made with the help of programming language known as Scratch. It provides you a graphical environment that lets you learn the programming in an easy and fun manner. MIT Media Lab developed this language. Moreover, you can get it for free over the internet. So let us start some components of a Scratch window. Students, once you have opened Scratch, you should see this default screen. So first we talk about Sprite. Sprite is a small graphic character that performs action in a Scratch project. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. Programming in Scratch. In the left hand corner of your Scratch window, you will see 9 buttons. Each of these buttons have programming blocks in those particular areas. Scratch is based on block coding. Coding is a form of programming language where the user gives instruction by dragging and dropping blocks. So we talk about block categories. First, motion blocks. Motion blocks are medium blue in color and consist motion. Blocks are used to control your sprite's movement. Then move to second, looks block. These are purple in color. Looks blocks are used to control the look of your sprites and backdrops. It consists of 18 stacked blocks. Next is sound block. These blocks are in pink and purple color and consist 8 stacked blocks. Sound block is used to apply sound on a sprite. Next, events. And these blocks are yellow in color and consist of 6 hat blocks and 2 stack blocks. Event blocks are used to control the triggering of the scripts for your sprite and backdrops. And every script must start with an events blocks. And next one is control blocks. Control blocks are used to control the execution of your scripts. Sensing block. Sensing block are used to detect specific circumstances in your scripts. And next is operator blocks. Operator blocks are used to add math equations and string handling to your scripts. There are 4 sections in Scratch. First, block plate. Second, script area. Third, stage. And fourth is backdrops. So let us talk about script area. Script area. Script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to sprite to do a specific task. Script area is a place where you create a script for a sprite to do a particular task. Second is stage. It is a main working area where the sprite moves and performs action as per the given instructions. Here you can watch stories, play games and run Scratch projects that you have created. Third is Sprite. Sprite is a small graphic character that performs action in a Scratch project. Cat is a default sprite in Scratch. Next is backdrop. A backdrop is an image that can be shown on the stage. It is similar to a costume except that it is shown on the stage instead. The stage can change its look to any of its backdrops using the switch backdrops to block. Hope you understood about Scratch and components of Scratch window. So thank you. Have a nice day.